It's a beautiful day outside and inside. चल रही है हमारी पूरी प्लानिंग. अश्लेषा कर रही है सारी टिकट्स बुक्ड. ये देखो हो गई हमारी सारी टिकटें बुक. और वो टिकट बुक करी और मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, एप्पल खा रहा हूँ. Okay, we are still in Raleigh and it's our third day.
Yeah.
And it's very cold. And
And you've not worn sunscreen.
No, it's okay. I'll be going inside. And so we are going to a restaurant called
Hibachi.
Hibachi. It's a Japanese restaurant. We're going to eat some food. And yeah, it's very cold. So, okay. We will see you on the way, there, wherever.
And we have arrived. अच्छा, एक छोटी सी गलती. हमने कहा था कि नेम ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट इज हिबाची. नहीं, नेम ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट इज कबूकी. वी हैव कम टू ईट हिबाची cuisine at a restaurant called Kabuki. This was our first hibachi dining experience. It's a very interactive dining experience. The chef dazzles you with impressive knife skills and theatrical cooking techniques while preparing delicious dishes right in front of you. Okay, try. See, isn't that so much fun? The food is delicious though, and it really depends on what you want to order. You can order meat, seafood, vegetables. It's served with rice, so you can order your choice of meat or your choice of vegetables.
Good?
It's really tasting nice with the... Sorry. And now we are driving through Cary downtown. It's a very small, quaint, old town, you know, and we were loving it.
Yeah? Hey, look at this place called Gourmet. There's cute little coffee shops. I love these kind of places.
We are walking around in a small quaint town, the old Cary town, and it's very pretty. It's like a... Now look at this barber shop. Can you guys see? पीछे देख सकते हो barber shop लिखा हुआ है. How cute is that?
Yeah, we went to a small macaroon shop and got some macaroons there. And it's a small town. We love it.
और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है.
I'm not feeling it. It's just -4, but I'm not feeling it.
नहीं?
No, I'm not feeling it.
I'm feeling it.
You want to go inside? Chal.
You guys want to walk downtown?
Yeah, a little bit. Come.
But this is not downtown. That's we passed.
But it's not cold now. You notice?
Sure.
Huh?
Cow feels cold.
You're
तुम
feeling
लोग ने
cold?
अच्छे layers में-
Better with the. So can we go inside
But
this
it's not that
German
cold,
bakery?
It is cold, but it's not that
No, हाँ खुला है तो जाओ ना, हाँ खुला है.
Thank you.
Yep.
और अब हम इतना सारा खाना खाने के बाद थोड़ा सा खाना डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए एक पार्क में आए हैं. One thing I loved about the US is there are lots of parks and there are these lakes right in the middle of different communities, and they are vast, they are huge, they're not just like, you know, कुछ झूले और छोटा सा एक पार्क हो. They are huge parks and they have lakes in the middle, and you can do boating, you can do fishing. It's amazing.
कोई अगर अमेरिका में घर का खाना मिस करता है तो भैया ये देखो, हम खा रहे हैं राजमा, भरता, ये सलाद और ये छाछ और ये और वो एक अमेरिकन लड़की गुस्सा करेगी अभी, नहीं कर रही, देख ही नहीं, ये उसकी मम्मी द शेफ. थैंक यू पिंकी. ये पिंकी की बहन, मैं इसकी बहन का वो. So we are going shopping now.
Yeah.
Okay. And we are going shopping alone. Our caretakers are not with us. So waiting for our Uber now. And there comes our Uber. No, that's not our. That is our Uber, yeah. Okay. Hello, yes. Hello. Good.
अच्छा लग रहा है? प्यार का सपना सच्चा लग रहा है? तो जो करीब है?
मेरा नसीब है. We are here. Shopping done.
Reasonable shopping.
Reasonable.
Impossible burger.
Impossible burger. Nice. This. Chili fries. Good stuff, man. हमारी कैब नहीं आ रही है, टेम्परेचर गिरता जा रहा है, तो हमारे कपड़े निकलते जा रहे हैं अभी बाहर और हमारे सर के ऊपर हमारे. So yeah, as you can see, the whole mall, which is not actually building, but all the stores are in the line. They have all closed down, and we are here waiting for our cab, and it's cold. Best of luck.
कोई बात नहीं सनरीटा, बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं।
कोनियाक शराब नहीं होती पर कोनियाक है कहाँ?
कॉफ़ी भी नहीं, कोनियाक छोड़ो।
कॉफ़ी भी नहीं मिल रही है यहाँ पे यार।
हमारे इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं होता, हमारे इंडिया
चौराहे-
में बहुत सारे
हर चौराहे पे चाय वाला, पान वाला, यहाँ पे नो वाला। Oh, there's one person. So our cab is finally coming. So we won't be punished by the cold. Look at the happy holidays. Ready to go home? Okay. See you home. So only when we thought we were going to require bigger jackets because it was so cold, it has become warm here. It's almost 15-16 degrees hotter than Delhi, where we come from. See? See? Hot? Feeling hot? Have you ever sat with yourself doing nothing, just sitting with yourself and watching what is going on within yourself, as in your mind? Have you done that ever? For 10 minutes. We all know ultimately what happens, our lives end and we are not here. Before that, have you actually tried to figure out what are you? What is... Because even on a Sunday, we just, pick up something to do. Go grocery shopping or gardening or watch a movie. We do everything to avoid being with ourselves. And in every scripture, in every teacher's words, it's said that when you sit with yourself, doing nothing, not even thinking, is that when that joy comes in. Because we, by nature, are joyous. We, by nature, are loving. But it doesn't seem so, We struggle so much to do things so that we can get some happiness. But how much happiness do we get out of so much of struggle? Say 10 hours of struggle in a day. After that, do we get 10 minutes of happiness? Do we? Or is there happiness at all? Or we just put on this planet to struggle, be miserable, and then leave with a sigh of relief? Thank God we're getting out of here. Because it's not that what we've been told, that's not true, that you'll be very happy if you're very famous or very rich, if you have a lot of property, or if you're very healthy. That we've seen, right? That, yeah, of course, there is comfort in there, convenience is there, but happiness is an altogether different thing. When we don't do anything, we get the glimpse of it. By doing Nothing means not even thinking. Have you tried doing that ever? Do that. Start with 10 minutes. Sit with yourself. Do nothing. Nothing. Sit with yourself and find out. Trust me. Trust me, you'll see something amazing. You'll find something really amazing.
सब वॉइस तुम लोग हटाओगे ना,
नहीं हटाएंगे, यही रखेंगे.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे. मैं बोला उसको कि डबल ट्रिपल ड्रिंक ऑर्डर ही कर देना एक.